Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So for today's video, I'm going to be talking about something that I know all Jeffree Star fanatics are thinking about. I'm going to be talking about products we wish, pray, and hope that Jeffree Star Cosmetics would come out with. So before I get into that, I just wanted to reiterate that I am doing a giant Jeffree Star Cosmetics giveaway on my channel. I put details on how to enter the giveaway up here in this video. You can also check in my description section on how to get to that video so you can learn about how to enter. But yeah, guys, I'm doing my own mystery box, and I am so excited for one lucky winner to win a ton of Jeffree Star Cosmetics products. But yes, let's jump right into the video. So first things first, something I wish Jeffree Star would do. I don't know if you saw, I did a video on this gorgeous little angel here. This is the Peppermint Frost palette. This is so beautiful. This was an exclusive mystery box item that was in his Christmas box. And when I tell you, it was surprisingly beautiful. It's surprisingly beautiful. Now, these two shades are pretty, whatever. This here is breathtaking. From the first time it touched my face, I fell in love with it. I absolutely love this highlighter. I really wish that he would come out with just this, what is it called? Chocolate ice. I really wish he would come out with just chocolate ice as a single. I think it would be such a universally flattering highlight. So many people would gravitate towards it. It made me be interested in his highlights altogether. Like before I was like, oh, they look kind of chunky. I'm not really interested. I had never tried a skin frost. I got this in my mystery box and I am so happy I did. Love the formula. Wishing he would make the chocolate ice into a single shade. Moving on. Now, something Jeffree has not done yet would be bronzers and blushes. Just given the pigment of his shadows and the way his shadows work, I think a bronzer and a blush from him would be absolutely beautiful. Like exactly what we want it to be, what we know Jeffree is capable of. You know what I mean? It would just be so beautiful. I would already know I would love the packaging. I already know it would be oversized, so we would get so much product because Jeffree never does us dirty like that. He always makes sure we have a large quantity of product when we purchase it, and I love that about him, except for his concealers, which I think a bronzer, I think a blush would be absolutely beautiful from him. We haven't seen it yet, so I would love for that to come out. Another thing that I think would be so cool from Jeffree, and I'm not gonna lie, I've done a little bit of Googling and I found out that he has something coming out called Fuck Proof. I personally think it's going to be a mascara. I would be over the moon to try a Jeffree Star Cosmetics mascara. You already know that component is gonna be snatched. The mascara is gonna be so good because he loves Benefit Roller Lash. So I imagine he really likes like separated, really fanned out lashes. I think if he did come out with a mascara, especially if it's called Fuck Proof, I think it's gonna be really good, long lasting, just top-notch quality. Everything we always expect and get from Jeffree. Another item I think would be really interesting and what might be in the works cooking would be a setting spray from him. Now, I know he came out with a setting spray with Morphe, but personally, the way people explain that it smelled like cough syrup, like it was very strawberry, and I just can't picture spraying something that smells so sweet on my face. So I feel like if he came out with a new face setting spray, it would first of all be top of the line. I know he always uses Urban Decay, so he knows what's good, you know what I mean? He's gonna give us a bomb setting spray. It's gonna be long lasting and just snatch you to the gods. So I really would be excited for him to come out with a setting spray. When I did a little bit of research, so this is all speculation, just research, but when I did a little bit of research, it said that it was gonna be called Resting Bitch Face, which is so Jeffree, so perfect. I absolutely love the name. And now finally, I know Jeffree briefly touched on this when he did his Magic Star Concealer launch, but I think a foundation from Jeffree would be out of this world. The man just knows what works. He knows what type of formula is gonna last because he's reviewed everything. He uses the best of the best. He knows what we're looking for. Just based on his concealers alone, we know that the shade range would be beyond fair. He would never leave anyone out. and I would literally be so excited to see a foundation from him. I'd want to know if it's dewy, if it's semi-matte, if it's fully matte. Like, I would love to see his take on a foundation. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Nice and short but sweet. Please make sure to enter my giveaway if you haven't already. You can have your very own mystery box if you didn't have a chance to have one yet. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a like. Please don't forget to leave me a comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me out when you guys subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.